Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2014 Ducati Hypermotard 821 ABS edition. This bike only has 1,821 miles. Beautiful matte black finish, perfect showroom condition. It's got the Testastretta engine, twin cylinder, fuel injected, super torquey. Come on by, make your Hypermotard dreams come true for just $79.99. This bike is not going to be here long. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Man, that thing sounds badass. Woo! Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.